If your kids are always asking to cook or grill with you, this Play-Doh Sizzlin Grill Playset is such a fun way to let them join in on the action, but without the mess or worry. It was super simple to put together, and it's nice and sturdy. The coolest feature is that it lights up and it makes sizzling sounds, so it feels extra special for pretend play. The set comes with 17 accessories, from utensils to food molds, so kids can create burgers, hot dogs, veggies, and so much more. And it also comes with 10 Play-Doh containers to get you started. It's perfect for kids who love arts and crafts, imaginative play, or helping out in the kitchen. My son loves using all of the molds and cooking up a bunch of different creations, and the best part is that it keeps him entertained for a really long time. It's a playful way to encourage creativity, fine motor skills, and imaginative role play, all while letting them feel like a little chef. It's also a nice compact size, so it's really easy to move around and set up anywhere that you want. If you have a child who loves Play-Doh, food, and helping out in the kitchen, this grill set will definitely be a hit with them.